We gotta, right? Okay, I'm gonna get a little more aerodynamic. Sorry.
Stop.
Silly AIS. Trying to keep us safe.
Gonna disconnect that thing.
It is so sunny today. We have clear blue skies and we're not sure how much wind is out there. Looks like there's some, but we're gonna head to Todd Inlet. I'm really excited to get out on anchor. We're ready to go, so just gotta fire up the boat, let it warm up a little bit.
Our engine doesn't have any glow plugs or anything.
Glow. You said that weird.
Glow plugs.
Glow.
Our engine doesn't have any glow plugs. So sometimes when you start it up, it cranks and cranks and cranks. And then on the internet, I found out that there's a cold start procedure which isn't in the manual. And it works pretty well. So, full throttle. Pull your stop lever up. Put back. Down to a quarter throttle.
Oh boy.
But before it would have cranked and cranked and cranked and coughed. So.
Nice.
And with that, we set our course for Todd Inlet and prepared ourselves for a beautiful day out on the water.
Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way. Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter. Now listen. Stay and let's figure
5 of them there. 5.
Family day.
Yeah, family day.
Oh, that's so fun. I think it's not wavy out.
Girlfriend, there's nothing that can stop us. Oh, you got me winning my laughter mind. I know there's nothing that I can do with you.
It's so cold. My fingers are numb. I don't mind though. This is so cool. Never been anywhere like this before in a boat. Very cool. This is apparently all provincial park. I want to go look around. I'm excited to check it out. I'm gonna give you guys a panorama because this is so cool looking. I'll go up there. Is that not cool or what? This is so nice.
Are you ready?
Oh, sure. Once we set the anchor, you could feel it was going to be a cold night, so we went down below and Lyndon started up the fire.
Just trying her hand, first time baking on anchor.
I think it's not much different than when we're at the top.
Yeah, but it's just, this cute little bay is gonna be filled with the smell of...
I know, we should go deliver some cookies to the other boats. Can't help it. Not a bad way to spend the evening. Baking cookies, playing games, and just having fun hanging out.
Set, go.
It's early in the morning, and I looked out the window and there's like a little bit of ice on the water.
Remember how you got up and watched the sunrise and then I was like, you should be...
Oh, it's because of that.
And you're like, no. And then 10 minutes later, you're like, I should have got up and changed it.
I know. I thought it was gonna get more cool looking, but it got less cool looking.
Yeah.
Lyndon's hoping that there's gonna be a Tim Hortons over there. There won't be that. It did say that there's a store for provisioning for boaters, so we'll go check out what they've got. Right?
Yeah. We'll go out. Hopefully we can paddle through all this ice because it's still icy out.
Well, I don't think it's icy on that side of the boat. It's more on the other side.
Wow. Okay, I'm looking at ice right here. I see. There's
No,
ice right here.
This is the window. That is all. It's all foggy.
Oh, peanut gallery. Okay, come on. You're blocking me.
There's Winter's Annie. Coming up on an ice field here. We're gonna have to hack through. Here we go. Ooh. That's actually
That's not a great shot.
That's not great. Oh, Lyndon. I can actually have something to break through. Wow, you can see the vibrations going out. be good for the dinghy. That doesn't seem very
Spin
good.
around the other way and hit it with your feet.
Okay. Hang on. Yeah, you can really hear it. Okay. Well, this is new.
What?
Doing this. I feel like I'm getting water in my boots. Smile back. We made it. We spent the rest of the afternoon exploring the park, and there was no shortage of beautiful scenery. Welcome to Snitzel.
Oh, here it says pronounced Snegeet Quith. I mean, obviously that's how it's pronounced, but.
Wow. Interesting.
Kind of reminds me of the part in The Hobbit where they meet two or three trolls.
Yeah. I know, it kind of looks like a troll. And then that place looks a little creepy. I'm so glad I wore my boots. I was gonna wear my runners. That would have been a huge mistake. This is all mud. Yeah, I know, I can feel it. Did you get a shot of the boat?
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this episode. We put out a new one every Wednesday, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. If you'd like to become part of our support crew, please click on the Patreon link to find out more information. Also, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram. Links are all below. Thanks for watching.